Hello guys, my name is Surbhi here and as promised I'm here with my first honest movie review. This is about Ishq Vishk Rebound. Ishq Vishk Rebound is directed by Nipun Dharmadhikari, a renowned writer, actor, director in Marathi films in the Hindi film industry. And if you talk about Ishq Vishk Rebound, let me tell you, there was a lot of expectation, a lot of hope, and there was a lot of buzz around this movie, right? With great songs, as we say, and with a lot of expectation, if you put it in short. But let me tell you, this movie, अगर cast से शुरुआत करें तो we have Rohit Saraf, who's really loved in the Hindi film industry already as an actor. And then we have Pashmina Roshan, Hrithik Roshan's relative, who makes a debut in this movie. We have Naila Grewal, who did a fab job in the Netflix series Mamla Legal Hai. She was also in Thappad and Tamasha for a fact. And then we have Jibran Khan, who's already loved a lot for his as a child artist when he was seen in Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. We won't forget that small sweet boy, right? So right now he's coming up with his first feature film. Now, if you talk about the movie, story ठीक है, execution ठीक है, but उतना मजा नहीं आया. I mean, there was a lot, as I said, was expected out of this. There could have been much more. Now, पर एक्टर अगर एक्टिंग की बात करें, रोहित सराफ, he has acted well again. He is somebody who acts well, but there was nothing more than the same old chocolate boy avatar. And of course, this is like a rom-com movie. So again, I felt like, there's a part of Rishi from Mismatch playing in this movie as well. And then you talk about Pashmina Roshan. It's a debut movie. There's a lot more to go in terms of acting. And then you have Naila Grewal, as I said. I already loved her in Mamla Legal Hai. Despite her screen timing being extremely limited in the movie, she's done a fab job. Let me tell you, she's definitely done a fab job. Jibran Khan, again, very limited screen timing, but there's a lot more coming from him, I'm sure. A lot more hope, a lot more excitement. I'm pretty sure he is not bad with acting. He's good, and it was not bad at all to watch him on screen for the first time. He's good looking, he's charming. He was able to play his character really well, and there's more to come for sure. But I wish I got to see more of these two people in the movie. The movie revolves more around Pashmina and Rohit's angle, but less of them. I mean, एक point के बाद I was just waiting कि अरे और कब आएगा इनका part. I would want to see more, right? So, but then again, you talk about it in terms of the movie overall. Music is amazing. Already all the songs are trending, but overall the movie was not exactly what we were all looking for. I mean, I thought maza aayega dekhne mein, something more exciting. It was okay. So if you ask me how many stars I would give the movie, that would be 1.5, and that too also because the cast was a young cast. And the songs were good, there was fine acting, but more could have come there. So yes, that's my review, my honest review for the movie. Hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to this review, as I'll be coming with more reviews with time, and probably with more different kind of content as well. I'm still working on it, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my honest movie review.